सब तैयार है ना? सब तैयार है? दिलीप
आराम से नहीं मारूंगा देखो आज।
ओके एवरीवन रोलिंग या प्लीज सर आप बीच में आ जाएंगे।
मैं बीच में आ जाऊँ?
आप बीच में
सॉरी डार्लिंग।
ओके रेडी एवरीवन? ओके इनके साले
कैसात कहाँ यार? कैसात कहाँ यार?
Hello.
It's important.
Behind there, right? Very good late evening to you.
Thank you very much. Same to you. You look very pleasant and happy.
Yeah, same. आप ऐसे लग रहे थे बिल्कुल सूरजमुखी का फूल रात के समय भी.
Natural beauty, God's blessing. I was born like this. I'm a rose.
हमेशा आप अपना वादा निभाते हैं, जरूर आते हैं, चाहे लेट भी हो जाते हैं. कुछ कहना चाहेंगे सचिन के बारे में, अपनी दोस्ती के बारे में?
Sachin's been an old friend and as producers, and I'm glad the kind of cinema that he's been producing or been part of has been extremely classy and nice. And I wish Jackpot, I wish Sunny, I wish Kaizad, who's doing a film after a long time. He's one of the finer, edgier directors that we have. It's always nice to have everyone back and making films, as many as they can. So I wish the film the best. I wish Sachin all the best, and Viking, the production unit, which has put this all together. I really wish them the best because I like films, and I hope this one does well.
आज आपका पहला clean shaving look में पहली बार आए और मतलब इतने समय बाद और वो भी इस प्रीमियर पे.
Do you find this sexy?
Always supporting for Sachin. Aren't you planning for a movie with Sachin for your home production as a lead actor for Sachin?
Yeah, if he wants to. I told him actually some time back, but he said, "Bhai, I want to do this stuff on my own." I think which is a much larger context of life than taking the help of a friend who's been established for 22 years, and I salute him for that. Most certainly, I without deriding or saying anything, I mean, I'd say with all my love, I've never been part of casting my films. The directors cast the film, but if there is a film that I'm fortunate enough to work with Sunny, I would be only too happy to do it.
थोड़ा सा हिंदी में अभी ये बता रही थी हमें कि she wants to work and
मैंने आपको क्या बताया? I wouldn't know what to say, or I'd probably sound like a dork.
No.
I'm starstruck. I'm in awe.
Not in front of you.
Yeah,
we do this.
Today, this is your jackpot.
Don't embarrass her. See, every artist, every actor, I think they have their own caliber, and I genuinely pray, and inshallah all of them do much better than I've been fortunate enough, or I've had the jackpot to have done so far. And please don't take anybody's importance away from them. So, Sunny is a wonderful actor. So is Sachin and Kaizad and everyone, Nasir Bhai of course, and I wish them all the best. So don't make them feel that they're in the presence of a star who's done it and they still have to do it. I think all of them are very good.
सर आपका सबसे बड़ा जैकपॉट क्या होगा? हम जैकपॉट की बात करें, जैकपॉट के प्रीमियर पे आता है, तो लाइफ का ऐसा कोई जैकपॉट होगा या?
Two things I think.
Achieve, in fact.
I don't want to take away from the factor of love, and luck, but I think my jackpot is my hard work. And my biggest jackpot is for 23 years. People have been consistently liking me so much. So I thank all the people for this kind of jackpot, which very few people get.
सर कैसी खबरें आ रही है?
आपको सम्मानित किया जा रहा है इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी से, कुछ बताएंगे?
कौन सी वाली?
कुछ ऐसी खबर आई है?
नहीं, वॉटन से मुझे सम्मानित नहीं किया जा रहा है। वहाँ पे जो हमारी फिल्म थी चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस, उसका जो डिजिटल मीडिया मार्केटिंग था, उसको सम्मानित किया गया है, जिसके बारे में मैं श्रेय नहीं ले सकता हूँ। वहाँ पे लोग हैं जो काम करते हैं। But yeah, that's it. Okay, सम्मानित किया जाएगा. Yes, I'd love to see it. I'm sorry I work late, and it always happens that though Sachin was kind enough to hold the film for 30 minutes, but still I'm late. But I like to see the film from the beginning, so inshallah at home, if Kaizad allows me, please. I will.
We all know that actually is one of the best VFX team है यहाँ पे, and we also got reports that Sajid Nadia Khan की next hit का VFX Red Chillies करने वाली है. So is there any confirmation on that?
Honestly, tell me, do I look like the CEO of Red Chillies? I'm a movie star. It's a company that I own in terms of being a director. So I don't know the modalities, but if they're doing it, it'll only be nice. I have no idea of the business they do, except for the home productions they do. So I know they're doing Happy New Year, but if they're doing any other film, Sajid's or anyone else's, I will only have. But I can't confirm it because I wouldn't. But you ask Red Chillies को Harry or Chetan will tell you.
कुछ बता रहे थे, कुछ आप स्टूडियो की ऐसी खबर मैंने आज देखी आपने कुछ स्टूडियो में।
मैंने कितनी बार तुम्हें बोला, जो खबरें तुम्हारे चैनल पे आती हैं और अखबार में आती हैं उनको माना मत करो, उनको एंजॉय करा करो, उससे खुश हुआ करो। मुझे तो ये नहीं मालूम कि ऐसा स्टूडियो है कहाँ पर।
अच्छा नहीं, पर ऐसा मैंने सोचा आपसे कंफर्म करूँ पहले इसलिए पूछा आपसे।
और अगर लिया होगा तो आएगा तू वहाँ पे शूटिंग करने के लिए। दुआ करो कि मुझको ऐसा बड़ा सा स्टूडियो मिल जाए।
मैंने आपको सी रॉक के लिए भी बोला था,
वो भी नहीं हुआ। तो तू मत बोला कर मुझको।
आप उस पर आगे नहीं बात करो।
नहीं हुआ ही नहीं यार, बट इंशाल्लाह दुआ करो कि अच्छा स्टूडियो हम सब बना सकें साथ में मिलकर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वाले, तो बहुत खुश है।
न्यू ईयर के बारे में बताना चाहेंगे, नया साल कहाँ बिताएंगे आप?
मैं बच्चों के साथ और फैमिली के साथ ही रहता हूँ, सो उन्हीं के साथ रहूँगा, तो जहाँ पर वो होंगे वहीं पर बताऊँगा।
सर लोग ऐसी खबर आ रही थी कि पंजाब एक्सप्रेस बन रही है, बट रेपुटेशंस ऑफ हीरोइन आर नॉट नेवर डन इन बॉलीवुड, बेसिकली इट टेक्स सीजन 2.
There is no film like that here.
But are you going to take the big on top for Punjab Express?
Punjab Express, I have not heard of a film called Punjab Express. Rohit said it.
Yeah,
He must
he
be
might be
joking with you. Yeah.
प्लीज अलाउ टू आस्क 16 दिसंबर को जो विमेन का गाड़ी में केस हुआ था उसको 1 साल हो जाएगा, क्या
Don't use this opportunity. We are here to celebrate the premiere. Wrong place, wrong time. Come over to the house, take time from Pooja, drop in there. If it's a serious issue, talk to me seriously, honestly, and I'll speak to you seriously.
One new year wish. Shahrukh,
could you please wish
look at the
all the
camera.
viewers?
You, all the viewers are very happy.
But हम मिलते रहेंगे, तुझे मालूम है till 31st. And you guys are gonna make me do this 100 of
हम
times.
लोग जल्दी कर लेना तो वो स्टॉप हो जाता है, बैंक
Okay, so
स्टॉप.
for everyone who's here and who'll be there again before 2014 starts, here's wishing all the viewers a very, very happy new year. And apart from that, my friends, all here, the best of luck for this year and inshallah for the next year, and be healthy and happy everyone.
Thank you. All the best.
And thank you for waiting.
All the best.